we must drink. This is Tranya. I hope you relish it as much as I.
This is also another really awesome looking little flask, something you'd see like on maybe Harry Potter. We didn't talk about that. We didn't go into that because I'm confused about butterbeer and I want to talk about that.
Right,
So
yeah.
this is Southern Comfort, which is, here's a bottle of Southern Comfort, and I have a good sized bottle of it. And this is how I make what I call Tranya or Sumerian Sunrise. Fool your friends, throw your voice, make them laugh. But you open it up, you know. You get you a small glass or a big glass, depending on your liking. Put a couple ice cubes. Randy was excited that my ice cubes are round, but I have the whiskey ice cubes. They're pretty. They're good for just like a whiskey on a rocks and Jack Daniels, you know, but they don't really cool that much.
Yeah.
So I go and I take my Southern Comfort, which is in this really cool bottle, and I'm going to pour some in there, just like that. I'm going to do half and half because I'm an alcoholic. But there, you see, there it is. You get a nice little brown color in there, okay? And we're making the Tranya right now.
Okay.
This is a Southern Comfort in a really cool bottle, and you put it down, and it looks really awesome. Then, in this flask, we have an orange substance, which is orange juice, pure orange juice. All it is. And you go in there and you fill that up to your liking, you know, which is about right there for me.
Wow.
Maybe a little bit more. Okay? And then, my magic ingredient. This is grenadine, cherry and pomegranate flavored. You can do just. It does no alcohol in it. It's just like
Right, it's just flavor. Right.
You go in there and you put a splash of that, and there's your. You can do your sunrise, your Sumerian sunrise that way too. But that's what I like to do. That's my drink of choice here at the home.
What do you call that?
I call this Tranya, but I've called it Sumerian sunrise, sunset.
Which is from where?
Star Trek.
Star Trek.
Both those are. You get a stir, which I'm going to use my pen. I know that's gross, but I didn't think ahead. And just stir it up a little bit. I would usually like more ice in mine, you know. What?
No, that's hilarious.
Because when I go to put my pen in my mouth later, no, it's delicious.
I need more.
I didn't dig in my ear with that either, so don't be grossed out. Because I know you've done it. Everybody's done it. I've done it, but not with that pen. And there you go. Tranya, Sumerian Sunrise, Mama Kiss My Ass. I don't care. You can call it whatever you want. Pan Galactic Gargle Blaster. It doesn't matter.